Hello friends, today I will tell you a story. Once upon a time there was a king. He had three trustworthy ministers. But after some time king realized one of the minister is not honest with money and lazy with hard works. But problem is that king couldn't figure out which minister was not trustworthy. So he devised a plan to find out which minister was not honest with their work. So one day he gave three of the minister a bag and said, to be taken in a dense forest, and task is to collect the different fresh fruit in their bags. The minister who was honest, he started search the fresh fruit in thoroughly all jungle, and he collected a variety of the fruits with high quality. The second minister who was not hardworking, so he thought himself, there is no need to go for hard work. He collected whatever he found on the ground. So most of the fruit are spoiled and rotten. The third minister who was not honest and lazy also, so he came up with a different plan. He thought king could not check whether it is the fruit or other things. So he started collecting dry leaves and stone. He thought king only checked the weight and the size of the bag. At the end of the day, three ministers returned to the palace. King didn't check the bag or inspect the bag. He ordered to imprison all of them. King also decrees there is no food be provided to the three of the minister. They have to survive on whatever they collected in their bags. The first minister who collected the first fresh fruit and high quality of the fruits spent 30 days without any difficulty. But the second minister who collected the spoiled and rotten fruits, he struggled a lot in the prison. At last he fell ill. But the third minister, he had nothing to eat because he collected dry leaves and a stone. He died of hunger. Before dying, he regretted a lot because he was lazy and dishonest. Laziness and dishonesty seem life be easier in the starting, but it's not for long last. Laziness only will lead to regret at the end. Hard work and sincerely work always pay off. Don't chase laziness and shortcut. Today's choice directly impact our future. So your future in your hands. What will you choose? Thank you.